In this video, I'm going to show you how I packed for 2 weeks in one little carry-on. So I will first kind of show you all the clothing laid out, and then I'll break down piece by piece what I brought and how I fit it into one carry-on. So first I packed along 4 t-shirts, 6 tank tops, 4 pairs of shorts, 3 skirts, and 1 swimsuit. And as you see, the bottoms are a little bit more colorful or patterned, whereas the tops are solid and a little bit more plain, so everything can kind of mix and match. And then I also packed 2 dresses, 2 sweatshirts, and 2 button-downs, and those button-downs can serve just to be worn alone or as an additional layering piece. Then I also packed 3 pairs of pants and 1 large scarf. The other thing that I do when I'm packing is I put like with like. So I put all of my tops together, all of my bottoms together, and then my dresses and sweatshirts together. And what I do is I then put them into packing cubes, which are these nylon bags that zip up and help to compress the clothes so that you can fit more things into your carry-on. So that's what I do. I put them all in these packing cubes, zip them up, and then they squeeze in very nicely to my carry-on. I cheated a little bit. I left out my sweatshirt and my scarf, and I actually packed my scarf in my purse and wore my sweatshirt. The other thing that I included here is a pair of shoes and some PJs, and then I also included my non-liquid toiletries, and as you can see, zips right up, no problem, and I can put it into one little carry-on that goes right above my seat when I get on the plane. If you have carry-on tips that I didn't cover here, I would love to hear them. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.